Feeling overwhelmed by financial stress? You're not alone. Let's tackle it together with these quick tips. Tip 1. Breathe and reflect. Take a moment to breathe deeply. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them control you. Tip 2. Identify your triggers. Write down what's causing your stress. Is it debt, bills, or unexpected expenses? Knowing the source helps you take action. Tip 3. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. A clear budget gives you control and helps you see where you can cut back. Tip 4. Get moving. Physical activity reduces stress and boosts your mood. Even a short walk can make a difference. Tip 5. Talk about it. Don't keep your worries to yourself. Share your feelings with someone you trust. You'll feel lighter and might get helpful advice. Remember, financial stress is common, but you can manage it. What's your go-to strategy for handling money worries? Let us know in the comments.